Hey folks, so I wanted to show you one of the biggest annoyances that I experience weaving with non-fabric. This is a ribbon yarn. Um, since I haven't really wove with fabric, I'm not sure if I'm also going to experience that uh, or this issue with fabric, but with this particular material, I get it hooked on nails as I'm weaving, as you see. I guess if you had pegs, probably not so much, but with the nails, it gets stuck, as you can see. So this is my second big rug, and I've done a couple little things on it. Um, and I've never figured out, I've just kind of worked around. I've never resolved the issue. And this morning, I had a little bit of an epiphany. And I said, what if I cover up the nails? So I grabbed some felt that I had, and I made a 5-inch strip and sewed the edges together after measuring, and I covered up the nails on both ends. And this has been a lifesaver. All it does is kind of slip on. You see down here, just slip it on, slip it over. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. And now the nails are covered. And the material doesn't stick anymore. I'm very happy. It's going to make my weaving a lot faster. Okay, enjoy the tip.